So today we're gonna try and install some test pipes on my G35. Here's the test pipes. Here's the car. I already jacked it up. I almost died because let me see. So I don't know if you can see that thing up there on top of the jack. I took that off just because it would have been easier because the car's so damn low. But that was just not a good idea because I noticed that it almost slid off the car, and I have a video. I can probably insert it from my phone. Alright, but yep, this is where I am. Oh. Before I grab the camera, I meant to go get this. I can just spray it on there. Because the bolts they look like they're rust welded on, which sucks. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just spray it. I don't see wherein this will come off, but hey, it has to, because I need my test pipes on. Yep. Yeah, I gotta go do the other side. So I'll continue once I have that on. Alright, so I wanna say, I don't even know, dude, like maybe 2 hours later. And it's because it's me alone. I got 2 bolts off. And I think I got the one that's like, let me show you. Jesus Christ. The one that's like all the way up there. Alright. So update. Alright guys, here we go. I still have a rattle towards the end because the stock exhaust, like I have the stock exhaust on, but it has a really big leak right here. It's basically cut off. The muffler is basically cut off. That's why the car's so loud. Pretty sure it would have been a little bit quieter if it wasn't for that. But either way, I still want the Z1 Motorsports dual exhaust. You know, just to clean it up. And it's a dual exhaust, and I can stick it out further. About here. I don't know if you guys can see, about like here, something like that, so that it doesn't really burn the bumper as much, because right now it's, I mean, it doesn't look like it's burnt, but you know, eventually it probably will look like that. But anyways, I'll probably give you guys some driving clips in a second.
What was it?
We just cleaned the cars.
It's a 350Z. Let me stop. My bad.
That's what they do for real. They actually bail. Behind the scenes. If you can. Oh yeah, yes, yeah. Kind of like going your tippy toe in a way. And then arch more. Bend this leg too.
But now when you
No, now it's recording.
I know, it's so tough.
Dang, my camera's zooted. It's been charging this whole time.
No cap, my boy said.
Oh, yeah, it's probably fully charged.
Nigga, your car.
We're going in your car, bro. We're going in a Z.
I think we should go both cars.
How can they fit?
Why 2 cars?
Yeah, why 2 cars?
Because you just cleaned your cars and the sun is about to set and we have all the cameras charged.
We can't get rollers.
I'm posted with the regiment, behind illegal tent. Don't you question my intent. I come to kill and dip. She want me to sit and sip. I ain't feeling it, I'd rather go and spin the whip. With the clicking shit, niggas pillow talking tricks. Quit pillow talking, bitch, smoke like it's my only wish. All I'ma say is this, don't you try to play defense. You ain't a victim, bitch. Heard that you been talking shit. Show me what's up with it. I did this shit for purely joy. I let her scream ahoy. Hollow squad, the Trophy Boyz. You just a turkey boy. Play with me, I won't avoid. I'll get you annoyed.
Oh my god!
Red line.
Really?
Yep. You see how it just kind of stops?
Yeah, womp womp womp, yeah. It smells crazy.
It's not bad though, I like it.
I like it too. It's like almost like the gas smell, but a little bit toasted.
But honestly, I swear you're my savior, girl.